The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Addressing the people and his disciples, Jesus said, "The scribes and the Pharisees occupy the chair of Moses. You must therefore do what they tell you and listen to what they say, but do not be guided by what they do, since they do not practice what they preach. They tie up heavy burdens and lay them on men's shoulders, but will they lift a finger to move them? Not they. Everything they do is done to attract attention, like wearing broader phylacteries and longer tassels, like wanting to take the place of honor at banquet and the front seats in the synagogues, being greeted obsequiously in the market squares and having people call them Rabbi. You, however, must not allow yourselves to be called Rabbi, since you have only one master, and you are all brothers. You must call no one on earth your father, since you have only one Father, and he is in heaven. Nor must you allow yourselves to be called teachers, for you have only one teacher, the Christ. The greatest among you must be your servant. Anyone who exalts himself will be humbled, and anyone who humbles himself will be exalted. The Gospel of the Lord. In today's Gospel, Jesus rebukes the scribes and the Pharisees because of their hypocritical life, because of their oppressive nature. In the first reading, we heard from the book of Prophet Isaiah, God says, "Learn to do good and search for justice. Cease to do evil. Learn to do good, search for justice, help the oppressed, be just to the orphan, plead for the widow." So these are the things are requested to do. When we listen these words during the time of Prophet Isaiah, what are the time it was? That means the society was not so good. There was injustice, there was oppression, there was inequalities, and the poor and the widows, the ordinary people suffered a lot. There was total injustice or corruption, like today we face in many places. But God is always inviting us to come back to Him with repentant heart and mind. And He is always there to invite us, to receive us. So what is most important is our repentant heart and mind, coming back to God with humility, surrendering ourselves to God. So in the Gospel reading, we find like the scribes and the Pharisees, they don't have humility. They don't have service nature. As the Gospel is talking about their lifestyle, they are doing the religious activities just for attraction. And they want recognitions from the people, from the society. Therefore, they have occupied the chair of Moses. That means they always want to sit in the front, in the temple, where they can be seen by the people. Their teaching was good, but they don't practice. So this is what Jesus said. But at the end, Jesus is teaching, you have only one rabbi, you have only one father, and you have only one teacher, he is Christ. So these Pharisees and scribes, they are making themselves that they are the rabbis, they are the fathers, they are the teachers of the Christ, like that. They are behaving, but they are not so. So today let us learn from today's gospel that Jesus is our true teacher. Let us learn from him. And he is telling, the greatest among you is one who is humble himself. So we can become the greatest in the kingdom of God once we humble ourselves. To summarize everything, let us do the work with humility and service for the glory of God. May the good Lord bless us all in this Mass.